As I've told you that there's a purification of nature, the fire element. Now we are enjoying the fire element, the purification of the fire element. You can see it behind us. So the more we try to purify the nature, the more we are in love with the nature always support us. Love you fire, love you fire, love you fire. Thank you for being us, thank you for being an element within us. Thank you. Yeah, that's true. Trees also do talk to us. Yeah, you can talk, you can make friendship with the tree. Tree is also a living being. We need to know that. It produces certain aura, it produces a lot of energy, it radiates its energy with higher frequencies. It vibrates really. Would you like to see? You can just come to the tree, feel the aura of the tree. Hi, my friend, my love, how are you? It responds. Yeah. Feel the warmness. So every day at least you have a habit of just coming and talking to the tree at least for a moment as per your schedules and all. Then slowly you will be falling in love with the nature, yeah. You can feel the aura of the tree. Hello, hi my sweet lovelies. I've come to meet you. Yeah, I'm a practitioner, I'm a Brazilian practitioner, I love that. You can just come and I just hug the tree also whenever you're free, just hug the tree. That also radiates certain vibrations, that radiates its energy to us, it reflects its energy to us. Yep, it reflects, definitely it reflects. So you can feel the love of the tree, you can just feel the love of it. It also transmits its energy to us. Whenever you come to a tree, just try to be in a deep silence, try to be in a very deeper silence. Either you can just sit under the tree, walk by near the tree, walk by near the stream, the river, water flowing. Hi, come to meet you. Yeah, fine, I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, really fine. Hi, fine. Yeah, see, it's radiating the energy. It's really radiating the energy. It's above our highest power in it. Yeah. See the roar, feel the roar. It says, I love you, Ramesh, I love you, Ramesh. Hi, water, my friend, my love. I've been desperate meeting you. Yeah. It's fun, it's nice. Thank you for blessing me. Thank you for blessing me. You have occupied 70% in my body. I love you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Can you hear the sound of the water? Yeah. Probably, I hope you know well that this body runs on electricity, not on the food what we eat. The more electricity, the more cosmic electricity, the more cosmic energy we are able to draw from this universe, the more the body is healthy. It's always in healthy condition, and we need not depend for our diets and all on the external systems and all. Yeah, but that's the process of slowly tuning our body. It happens. You should know how to get connected with the nature, how to fill in the diet of prana, the cosmic energy, into your body. One more simple technique I would just like to share with you, living on prana, the diet. This human body is just exactly like a battery. Battery, there are two charge terminals in the battery to charge the battery, right? The positive terminal and the negative terminal. The thing is, when we are doing certain practices, like take example sun gazing. Okay, we are gazing at the sun. From there we are receiving a positive energy that will be coming into the body, and we need to be grounded ourselves. We need to walk barefoot on the ground. Just walk barefoot on the ground. That keeps your body charged. You will be receiving positive energy from the universe, from the sun, and when you're walking barefoot on the ground, you will be receiving that negative energy from the ground, from the mother earth, and that will be grounding your body, that will be earthing your body. By this the body gets more and more charged. So why I'm telling you this is, the more we get connected to the nature, the more we are under bliss. Yeah, absolutely, that's true. The more we are under bliss, and that takes us to the higher dimensions. So keep practicing, try practicing to walk on barefoot the more, but the surface should be a natural surface, not an artificial or a man-made surface. Try walking on that, your body gets charged, your power of immunity will increase in this. Yeah. Definitely, it's in love. It's in love. The nature loves us. Loves us. Love is my nature. Love is my true nature.